to go out almost to Oracle to see what 77 was like. They've been doing some work on it. I would bike out as far as I could, and if the pavement got bad, I'd just turn around and come back. And this is what I found of their work. The cracks were sealed, but they made bumps, and it was just almost as bad as it had been before. So this is what I'm dealing with. So I stopped at the road going down to the biosphere because it is just too windy. And the road, they have been working on it, but it's really bad. There's still cracks. They've put in a lot of fill, and they redid the lanes, but the bike lane, the shoulder, is still really rough. So, you know, I'm getting killed by the wind, and then the road is crap. So I don't know, half a mile or something more just to see how it is, and then I'm gonna give up. It was a casualty of going over the new asphalt and tar. I had a bunch of pieces of pebbles and asphalt and just junk on my tires and stopped to have to clean them all off. I improvised with my tire levers. I don't know if they were the right thing to use, but it was better than my fingers. I'm taking my break. I had my little snack, and now I'm just relaxing and having a drink. Well, that wind did me in. It was the wind. It was the wind. I was going like 9-10 miles an hour up Oracle Road 77. Just did me in. And then the rough stuff coming down, that didn't help. I'm glad I'm back now.